Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchor person at the free genuine airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Pi coin from the Bitget Exchange. In case you did not mine the Pi coin while the mining was ongoing, or the mining you did, the coins allotted to you were too small, you still have a hope, and that hope is to buy more from the exchange. So in case you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that in our subsequent videos, when we shoot and publish new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, let's move ahead if you have done so. Remember that Pi Network launched this or listed this coin just a few, and several people made a lot of fortune from them. Some persons were, oh, I didn't join this while the mining was ongoing, or I didn't hear about it in time. So now we're going to show you exactly how you can get more. So let's start from the first thing first. There are two apps here. The first one says Bitget. The second one says Bitget Wallet. So the one we need is the one that simply says Bitget without the wallet. So which is this Bitget app. We'll click on it and open it. Okay, so this is the home page. Sorry, I started from the wrong side because the app was on initially. So here is your home page. So what you need to do on your home page is to click on this area that says trade. When you open under there, you see trade there. Yes, you click on trade, and then you are in the spot trading interface. The page you are seeing here that is open now is to trade Solana. Okay, you can see the price 159.09 or 0. So you need to change that from here because you don't need to buy Solana. You will click on that area because in this area now you're using USDT to buy Solana. So you're going to click on that place and open it. All right. Having opened this place, you will manually type Pi into this search box. So let's do that. Pi. Pi. And you can see that Pi is open or showing there. So you click on this. All right, you can now see Pi slash USDT, and the current price is this. You notice that the price is moving because this is real-time trading. So if you want to buy, you need to decide what price you are buying. If it is 1.5251, now it is going down again. So you just wait a little, or you manually type that into this space, or you click here. The price will automatically show in this place. So let's click on this place now. You can see the price has changed. Now it now says quantity. What quantity do you want to buy? You type that into that place. Open it. Let's assume we want to buy 10 of it. You put 10 there. Sorry. If we want to buy 10, we'll put 10 there. So you now see that the total price for that 10 is $15.228. Okay, but I am not buying right now because I do not have money in my account to pay for that. The money I have is just small. So assume I have that 15.55 here. What we need to do now is to click on the buy button because we have decided the quantity we want to buy and that. So you click on the buy button, and the amount you have decided to buy, the quantity, will be paid for automatically, or when that price readjusts to this area, and that 10 Pi coins will be deposited into your account. So that is how to buy Pi coins if you want to buy from the exchange. And I also wanted to say that the price for now uh, initially rose to about $2 and above, and now it adjusted to about 0.71. It's going up again. Before you buy, make up your mind on what you want to buy. Whether you are buying at this price or you want to wait again for the price to adjust again, go down before you buy, or whatever. It is left for you. But for you to know how to buy this coin, that is what we just demonstrated. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, just like it for us. Remember to share it with your friend and leave a comment. Thank you, and see you once again in our next video.